Even the simplest of dishes can turn into a headache without the right know-how. Subscribe and let's spread the love and tips in the comments section. You might think that sharper knives are more dangerous, but let me tell you, a dull knife is a disaster waiting to happen. It's like trying to slice bread with a spoon, frustrating and messy. A dull knife can slip off the food and onto your fingers. Ouch. A sharp knife, on the other hand, cuts clean and straight, just like a hot knife through butter. So remember, folks, keep your knives sharp and your fingers intact. Tired of crying over cut onions? Well, it's time to put those tears to rest. Picture this. There I was, chopping onions for a chili recipe, tears streaming down my face, looking like I'd just lost my best friend. But folks, it doesn't have to be this way. Try chilling your onions before cutting, or cut them under running water. Another trick is using a sharp knife to reduce the release of tear-inducing enzymes. Now you can chop onions without looking like you just watched a sad movie. Love garlic but hate the smell it leaves on your hands? I've got a trick for you. I know it sounds like some old wives' tale, but rubbing your hands on stainless steel actually helps remove that pungent garlic aroma. It's all about the science, darling. The sulfur from the garlic bonds with the stainless steel, neutralizing the smell. So next time you're mincing away, give it a try. Go ahead and add that extra clove of garlic without worrying about smelling like a garlic farm. Ever wondered why restaurant food tastes so good? The secret ingredient is salt. Now don't go thinking, oh, I've got salt at home. It's not just about having it, it's about using it right. A pinch here, a dash there. It's like magic fairy dust for your food. It's not about making it salty, but about making every flavor pop. It's the difference between a good dish and a wow dish. So, don't be shy with salt, folks. Your taste buds will thank you. And that's it, folks. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming the master of your kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking.